What's up YouTube? Welcome to Google. So in this tutorial I will explain you how you can extract the particular portion of the block. So let's begin.
Hey myself Betty, I'm Lakshit's assistant. I make sure that his videos are helpful to you. Please tell me your video experience in the comment box so that I can tell Lakshit to improve his videos. And I'll keep your extra care if you subscribe to his channel and also press the bell icon. I and Lakshit will really appreciate it if you complete this 10-second task. Thank you.
Let's say you want to extract these 3 and 4 to this address and city. So how can you do that? For that you have to simply put dsdr7 dot, you have to use a keyword log, and here in this log you have to put the, let's say we have to put 3, then put a ratio sign, then put here 4 and put a simple comma, and then what do you want to extract? Let's say we want to extract address. If we then we will put a d d r e address, and let's say we want to extract city2. Here you can see that the address and the city of these has been successfully extracted. So let's try this one. Nothing. So that's all for this tutorial, and if you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. So thank you, and meet you in the next tutorial.